Hey everybody, Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I have a package here which I had originally opened the main box because I thought it was something for my for myself from my main channel. This is from Thorfire. I've heard of the company Thorfire. Actually, I've had one of their flashlights in my hand. This is something I'll be reviewing here. We have a heavy feeling bicycle light. Let me see, what's the specs on this thing? I'll show you all the details. It's it's 5 volt, 500 milliamp. Got a rechargeable battery. Water resistant, waterproof to IPX65. I'm gonna have to look and read the specs here, and I'll get right back to you because if I remember right, this was a pretty impressive. Oh yeah, 1200 lumens. That is very surprising for such a tiny little light. 1200 lumens for a little bicycle light. That's a very impressive little bulb on there, and this is heavy. It's got some weight. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, that's bright. First impressions, I blinded myself. That is mega bright. Alright, so it's got various modes. We'll get into that in detail later. It's got a recharging cable, so it must be USB rechargeable. There's a charging port. That is cool. USB rechargeable. I like that. Just if I'm not riding my bike, I think I'll keep that around. Melanie might hold that in her purse because that is really convenient. I like it. I do like that it detaches from the bike mount. So there's your bike mounts, various types of clips and retainers, and a lanyard. So I guess they have considered that somebody might want to carry it. Yeah, there's a lanyard. Well, I like that. Really impressive at first glance. So we'll get this out there. I'm going to make sure it's charged, and we'll run it through its course here and test it out thoroughly. And we'll get back to you guys with a full review later on. Well, thank you, Thorfire. Very impressive looking light. It's Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Check it out, guys. And if you want to go ahead and get a jump on it and grab one now, check out the link in the video description and in the comments below. Thanks for watching.